Friends, welcome back to Let's Break. Today we have Fidget stick. This is highly popular right now. I know it's crazy. Some of the school banned the fidget spinner, and this one, it came up like 2 weeks or so, something like that time. And then I ordered this one like last week. Got it like 4 days after that, and it's from Amazon, and it's cool. Come up with this case, and it's well packed and well safety. Once you open it, it's a nice material cloth, and you have this one. This is like you see it. It's white. You can able to see the much detail on it, but it seems like a plastic, but not exactly. I'm not sure what material it is. Look at the sound. It doesn't feel like a plastic. Capture the sound. Doesn't feel like a plastic. So let's weigh this. It's 63 grams. Remember when we are doing a fidget spinner, that's like 52 grams. That is 52 grams. This is 63. And let me show you how this works. This is literally fun. Alright. Yeah, you see it. Yes, that's a good shot. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. No. Wow, what a cool shot here. It's like 3 inches to hit the floor. Wow, that's a good one, right? We'll see this one, what's inside. Let's find that out by hot knife. Let's do that, okay? Let's do it, guys. Ready. Wow, look at the fire. Oh no. Wow. You guys see this fire here still? Okay, the fire is gone. Wow. I can't even pull this out. Okay, finally. This material is not plastic. It's 100% it's not plastic. Something ceramic they added, something like that. Do you see this? I thought there will be a shallow space in between on the center, but it's complete of full material. There is no gap in between. So now we will do by vertical, this one. Okay, so this is like wax and ceramics and plastic, it's a mixture of components. So you see the marks, these are all, the wax only gives that, or mixed components, I don't know. I don't know where the spark is coming from. It's very hard. Wow. It was so hard. I was literally pressing my hand. Do you guys see the fire still? Just firing like that. See the wax coming out of it from the knife. This one is no fire yet. Look at that. Look at that. So alright guys, thank you, enjoy your day, and comment and subscribe, okay? Alright, let's do this folks, let's do it. Bye bye, peace. Come on. Holy, this is awesome. This is literally awesome.